Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Wow Maths. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 9 from the maths book grade 5. The name of the chapter is perimeter, area and volume. So basically there are three words: perimeter, meaning of perimeter when we are talking about the boundaries. So one by one we will take one word and discuss. Alright, so the first word is the perimeter. Perimeter when we are talking about the boundary. Okay, so perimeter of different figures we are going to understand. So if we are talking about the perimeter, in this chapter we will talk about the perimeter of regular figures and irregular figures. Regular figures, the figures जिन figures के हमें नाम पता है, like rectangle, perimeter of a square or perimeter of a triangle. There are some figures which we don't know, that is called the irregular figures, but still we are unable to find the perimeter of those figures. So such type of shapes, suppose if I have this shape, I don't know the name of this shape, so this is an irregular shape. So if I want to find out the perimeter of this figure, yes, I can find out the perimeter of this figure too, but there are certain different formulas. So one by one we will discuss how to find the perimeter of the regular shapes in mathematics and how to find the perimeter of irregular shapes. Let's start writing the formula for any of the figure given in mathematics. The perimeter of any figure, if we just find out the sum of all the sides, it will be the perimeter. So it means by this formula we can cover the regular as well as irregular figures and we can find the perimeter of that particular shape. So let's talk about the regular shapes. In grade 5 we are going to understand the perimeter of three regular shapes, that is rectangle, then your triangle and a square. So the first figure we are going to talk about the rectangle. Alright, as we all know, if this is a rectangle, alright, as we all know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. If the rectangle name is A, B, C, D, so it means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. The opposite sides of a triangles are equal. There are two lengths and there are two breadths. So if we go by this formula and I just want to write down the perimeter of the rectangle, how I can write? Perimeter of a rectangle, if I go by this formula, the sum of all sides. So there are first length, then the second breadth, then again the length and the second breadth. So there are two lengths and there are two breadths. Okay, so I can write there are two lengths and two breadths. Alright, so from there I can take 2 as common and the length plus breadth will remain. So this is going to be your formula which we are going to use in the exercise 9.1 to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So this is how we have derived the formula. By this, the sum of all sides, so the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 multiply with length plus breadth. Talk about the second regular shape, that is a square. As we all know that in a square all four sides are equal. So if I want to find out the perimeter of the square by this formula, sum of all sides, so it means I need to find, sum means मुझे add करना है चारों की चारों sides को. So it is side plus side, all four sides I am going to add. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if I multiply the side given of a square with 4, that will be the formula for perimeter of square. So this is the formula This is how we derive the formula. The perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied with side. Now moving to the third shape, that is your triangle. If we are talking about a triangle, because as in mathematics we have different kind of triangles, so to find the perimeter of triangle, the formula we will use the sum of all three sides, because in triangles we have three sides. So we are going to add all three sides and we will find the perimeter of a triangle. So now let's sum up the perimeter of regular and irregular shape. So to find the regular shapes, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 multiplied with length plus breadth. L represents the length and the B represents the breadth. The perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied with side, and the perimeter of triangle is sum of three sides, and by this we can find the perimeter of a triangle. Secondly, now we are going to write the irregular shapes. So to find the perimeter of the irregular shape, we will find the sum of all the sides given in that particular irregular shape, then we will get the perimeter of that particular shape. So let's start with exercise 9.1. Question number 1, A part is the length of the rectangle is, the length is given as 2 meter and the breadth is given as 1 meter. You need to find the perimeter of that rectangle. So we will write the formula first. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply with length plus breadth. When we don't have anything in between this number and the bracket, it means the number which is given outside the bracket is being multiplied with the numbers given in the bracket. Alright, so now we will put the values. So here the length is given as 2 meter, then plus ka sign dalenge, breadth is 1 meter. So from the board mass, so we need to remove the bracket first. Okay, we will off the bracket first. So we will solve first the bracket. So 2 plus 1 3, and as I told you कि जब कोई sign नहीं होता तो we will take it, we take that sign is of multiplication. So it's 2 3s are 6 meters. So this is going to be the perimeter of the rectangle with length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. Into question number B part. Here the each side of the square tile, now the shape is clear that the tile is of square shape. Okay, each side of the square tile is 46 centimeter. There is a blue string placed along the sides of the square tile. मतलब एक square tile है, उसके आसपास एक blue color की string they are placing. अब देखो here in the question, what is the total length? They are asking about the total length. How do we know that they are talking about the perimeter only? So there are some keywords from which we can understand कि वो perimeter के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. वो कौन कौन से hints होते हैं question में जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि they are talking about the perimeter. So the first word you can write it down also when in the question they are talking about the boundary. Boundary मतलब चारों तरफ. It means they are talking about a perimeter. If they are talking about fencing something, fence करना मतलब चारों तरफ दीवार करना, या वो वायर से भी हो सकती है, आपके ब्रिक से भी हो सकती है. So when they are talking about the fencing, and when they are talking about if you are taking a round of a park or any place, जब आप किसी पार्क के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाते हैं, so that is also a hint that in that question you are supposed to find the perimeter basically. Like in this question they have told you that they are placing a string along the side, मतलब उसके चारों तरफ. जब चार तरफ की बात होती है, four sides की बात होती है, it means in that question we need to find. Here they are not talking directly about the perimeter, they have asked for the total length of the string. अब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसमें perimeter ही निकालना है? So they have given us the hint, we need to catch that hint. So अब इस basically इस question में हमें क्या निकालना है? Total length of the string means we are going to find the perimeter of that square tile. Okay, so let's find out. So total length ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग जो स्क्वायर टाइल के आसपास होनी है। अब हमें पता है क्योंकि स्क्वायर टाइल है तो उसका जो पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला होता है 4 इंटू साइड होता है। यहाँ पर 4 मल्टीप्लाई साइड इज 46। सो अब आप 46 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो। 24 2 carry 16 and 2 18. So your answer is 184 centimeter of the total length of the string is required for that square tile with the side 46 centimeter. Moving to the C part of question number 1, there are 9 square tiles are placed as shown in the figure. This is the figure. So 9 square tiles are placed in this manner to form a larger square. एक बड़ा square बन गया है इससे. So side of each tile is 1 meter. So अगर ये 1 meter है, हर एक side 1 meter की है, ठीक है. ये भी 1 meter की है, हर एक side 1 meter. So the total, if we are talking 1 मीटर 1 मीटर 1 मीटर, हर एक साइड जो है 1 मीटर की है. तो लार्जर स्क्वायर की कितनी हो गई टोटल साइड? 3 मीटर ईच. अगर एक साइड 3 है तो ये भी 3, ये भी 3, ये भी सभी 3 आ गई. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द लार्जर स्क्वायर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ लार्जर स्क्वायर, we know the formula for perimeter, 4 multiply with side. So now here the side is 3, so the perimeter is 4 meter. The perimeter of the larger square is 4 meter. Moving to the D part, in this each figure below is made up of 5 2 centimeter square. So there are basically 5 square, each square is having the side 2 centimeter. You need to find the perimeter of each figure. So now these are not the regular shapes. So these are all are the irregular shape. We need to find the perimeter by the formula sum of all sides. So we need to find हर एक जो उसका आपको साइड दिया हुआ है 2 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है, 2 सेंटीमीटर. So we need to find that how many sides are there. So इसको करने का सबसे बेस्ट वे क्या होता है कि आप इसको मार्क करिए. मार्क कैसे करना है? See this is one side, this is second side. मिस नहीं करना है, रेगुलर चलिए. 1 2 then third side, fourth side, fifth, sixth, 7 8 9 10. So how many sides here we have? 10 sides. और हर एक साइड कितने की है? 2 सेंटीमीटर की. तो फर्स्ट जो अगर इसका ये फर्स्ट नाम है, सो द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस इरेगुलर शेप इज 20 centimeter. In the same manner we will start calculating for the second one. So start marking it. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many sides we have in the second figure? In the second figure we have total 12 sides into 2. So the perimeter of this irregular shape is 24 centimeter. Now the question arises in your mind that why we are not taking the sides which is inside. Because we are taking the perimeter, so we will not go inside the figure, we will take the boundary line. क्योंकि perimeter का मतलब ही होता है outer surface boundary. So इसीलिए हम ये जो बीच वाली लाइन्स है इसको कैलकुलेट नहीं करें. So in the third side, in the third part also, let's start marking it. Don't skip any side. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are total 12 sides and each side is of 2 centimeter. So the perimeter of third figure given, that's a irregular shape, is 24 centimeter. So in the E part, there is a triangle ABC where the side AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 9 centimeter. You need to find the perimeter of the triangle. So we'll first write the formula, that is the perimeter of, what is the name of this triangle? ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC is sum of 3 sides. So what are the sides? We will write that is AB plus BC plus AC. So the sides are 6 plus 7 plus 9. So when we add 13 and 9, 22. So the answer for the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 22 centimeter. This is all for today, and please be connected with Wow Maths channel for such kind of videos. Do like, subscribe and share as more as you can, and on a regular basis you will get such kind of wonderful videos. Thank you so much for watching.